Thank you, Riley. Well, it seems only appropriate that after several days with the Code Orange air quality alert that we would have someone on A Better Memphis today to talk about a new campaign that could help. The Shelby County Health Department launched Stop at the Click to help improve air quality and protect public health. And here to share more about it is Deputy Director Kesia Smith, excuse me. Welcome, good to have you with us.
Thank you.
Now, first of all, what is the Stop the Click campaign?
Yes, of course. So the Shelby County Health Department's Air Quality Improvement Branch is offering this campaign so that when you're filling up your car, you're filling up the tank at the gas station, when you hear that click sound at the gas station, stop. And the reason for that is that if you continue to try after you've heard the click, essentially the gas is cut off from the pump to the car. So at that point, you're just allowing gas emissions to be into the air, where it can combine with other emissions in the air, and with the warm sunlight, high atmospheric pressure, that is essentially contributing to ground level ozone.
That's amazing that that little bit of fumes could cause that much problem.
Well, if you think about it, think how many people throughout Shelby County are filling up every day.
Right.
So that contributes to many, many, many people filling up their tanks, not stopping at the click properly. You know, sometimes people are like, oh, let me just round it up to the next dollar. Or, you know, sometimes they're like, let me top it off because I want to make sure I get every penny in there. So when you multiply that, just think of thousands of people doing that day in, day out. That adds up, and that does affect our air pollution quality.
Truly. And those emissions can be even more dangerous for people with asthma and other respiratory illnesses as well, I would imagine.
Definitely, because those fumes, as you're inhaling them, you're standing by the pump. So you are directly inhaling those fumes as they're entering your body. And no telling how it's affecting you. And also, again, that leads to us having to do Code Orange days, Code Yellow days. That's one of the contributing factors that can lead to it.
Right, and we've had a lot of Code Orange days this week anyway. What other initiatives has the health department got underway that affect the environment and our health?
Right, so the health department is adamantly always trying to reduce air quality, you know, just to make sure it's better breathing life for everybody. So we offer what is called the rideshare program. Right now we have 90 vans that's in service that works with us, where actually we carpool. It's essentially a carpool, where if your company decides to sign up, bunch of you get into a van, one decides to drive you to work, you leave your cars at a central location.
That is so cool.
So if it's 5 or 6 of you in there, just think, multiply that. How many cars we're taking off of the road, so it's less emission as far as pollutant from the cars, and less gas, so being emitted into the air. So it's just a win-win across the way for that. We also are always monitoring the air quality throughout Shelby County. So that's another initiative that we always look at every day, and we review that data just to make sure everyone has good air quality.
Okay. Well, we're about out of time, but final words for all the people out there watching about Stop at the Click or anything else?
Please stop at the click. You will see us at many gas stations throughout Shelby County, hopefully all of them, where you'll see a little sticker on there with a QR code. Just click on it, and that way it'll take you to our webpage where you can get additional information.
All right, remember the click, y'all. Remember the click. All right. Kesia Smith Alexander with the Shelby County Health Department. Thanks again for coming in. Really appreciate it. Next on A Better Memphis, one of the largest networking events in the city kicks off this weekend. We'll talk with the founder of Link Up Memphis about that, learn why he believes networking is so important, and how you can attend too.